Another day, another great Sarasota area community, but we're actually in Venice. And this small waterfront community is called Eagle Point Club in beautiful Venice, Florida, just south of Sarasota. So come take a tour of this great neighborhood here in Venice, Florida. Before I dive in, I'm going to take you on a little walk. A walk down the community dock where you have a bunch of boat slips. Woo, right there. We are here on Roberts Bay. Beautiful setting. It's the day after Labor Day actually, so it's pretty quiet. I don't know if people are still on their long weekend, holiday weekend or what, but I'm here for it. Really beautiful like boat basin here. I would say average of 20 to 25 foot boats here, just to give you an idea. Again, beautiful setting, quiet. And this is located in kind of the northern part of Venice, Florida, of course, on the west side of 41 here, because we're right here on the bay. Just another beautiful day. Small neighborhood. This property only has 44 residences and it spans about 24 acres. I believe each of these comes with a boat slip as well, which is nice when you're on the water, right? It's as if it's gated as well. So like I mentioned, the community is located right here on the bay. So most of the properties actually are not right on the water, but there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and maybe 2 more down there that kind of sit right with these open bay views. So that's really nice. And the rest of them come with their off-site, I guess you could say on-site, but assigned boat slip. So Eagle Point Club originally opened in 1917, actually by Bertha Palmer. And if you've been watching my YouTube channel for a while, you'll remember that name because I recently did a video about west of the trail, the Field Club, and kind of the Oyster Bay neighborhood, which is in Sarasota. And her name came up in that video because her and her family, a Chicago socialite family, came here to settle. And understandably so. You can see why I'm sure they gravitated toward this beautiful water frontage, just walking down this really nice walkway to your private boat and the peacefulness of it. Also noteworthy is the original 2-story clubhouse, including wood cabins that were built from 1916 to 1920. So the Eagle Point Camp was placed on the National Register of Historic Places in 1991. The restored wood water tower is actually still there. Hopefully I still captured it in this video, but it dates back to the 1920s. And I think it's so nice to remember the history of a neighborhood. It's incredibly charming, it's historic, and it's beautiful to see. Now let's talk about one that is recently sold. This is 709 Eagle Point Drive, Venice, Florida. 34285 is the zip code. Of course, Eagle Point Club. What a stunning renovation. This owner spared absolutely no expense in this property. I have seen this home. It closed at $2.512,500. So that's $2.5125 million. In June of 2024, completely renovated, offering 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, 2,582 square feet with 4,100 under roof. And what a stunning example of this neighborhood. If you own a home in the area, please call or email me 941-544-7690 or email shaylatwit@gmail.com.